Hi, I'm Angelica, and welcome back to the Directed Sales Training Program. In this video lesson, we will be discussing the importance of the product demonstration and knowing when and how to present solutions to the customer. When you're new, it's easy to get off track by jumping into product demos before you ask all the questions you have for your customer. Having asked the right questions to better understand their needs, you'll be able to better demonstrate those items that interest them most. This will earn you the level of being a professional expert when compared to other shops they may visit. When demonstrating products, always speak to how each feature relates back to the answer from the question you asked. Thank you again for taking the time to learn with us. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos in our Directed Sales Training series.